On every site, someone needs a linear number: the length of a pipe run, the grade of a slope, the drop from the top of a bank to the bottom. Getting it usually means another trip to the field or an export to a desktop tool back at the office. In this video, we'll measure it all right in WorksManager Pro. Draw a line on your latest capture and read its distance, slope, and vertical change in seconds. It all happens in the 3D viewer. Turn on Measurement, and the Measurements panel appears on the left. Every line you create is stored right here, ready for the whole team. From the toolbar, pick the Linear Measurement tool. Now, just click. Each point you drop becomes a point of interest, and WorksManager connects them into a polyline that follows the surface. Click along the feature you care about, and your line takes shape. The moment your line is complete, it shows the full 3D distance along the polyline, the real over-the-ground length right there on the capture. From here, you choose what the line shows. In the Configure panel, toggle 3D distance, 2D horizontal, vertical delta, or slope and grade, and a label appears between each point of interest. Turn on 2D horizontal and vertical delta together, and you can read them side by side. Turn on slope and grade to see how steep each segment runs. And to keep a busy sitemap readable, open the Style tab and give the line its own color. A small touch, but it keeps every measurement clear. Change your mind later? Open the measurement again, and every option is right there to adjust. You're always in control of exactly what each line shows. Let's try a bigger one. Here, we'll trace a long polyline down the road to measure its length, the same way you'd measure a pipe run to be laid out, or any linear feature across the site. Open the side panel, and a single line tells you a lot. You get the length and the 2D distance, the vertical delta, the height difference from the first point to the last, with the average, maximum, and minimum elevation along the way, and the slope, which you can read as a ratio, a percentage, or in degrees. Toggle the slope on, and the label on the line updates to match. You can also decide what a line shows before you even draw it. Long press the Linear tool to pick a preset. Say you want the vertical difference between the top and bottom of this embankment. Choose Vertical Delta, draw your line, and that measurement is added automatically. You can always add more labels later.
That's linear measurement in WorksManager Pro. Draw a line anywhere on your capture and read its distance, slope, and vertical change in seconds, with no field trip and no desktop export. And because every line is saved with the project, your whole team is working from the same numbers. Thanks for watching.